Dental plaque is the cause of black spots on the teeth. Accumulated food particles, dirt, etc. create black spots on the teeth. In addition, betel nut or smoke is responsible for creating black spots on the teeth. Today we will see how to remove black spots on the teeth. 1 tablespoon coffee powder. A recent study has shown that roasted coffee beans fight the bacteria that cause tooth decay. This is big news for coffee lovers all over the world. Coffee has been shown to have a variety of general health benefits, but now there is evidence that it may even prevent cavities. 1 tablespoon toothpaste. According to the American Dental Association, ADA, toothpaste is important to oral health because it helps to remove plaque and its bacterial buildup on teeth and fights off periodontal disease. Most toothpaste also contains fluoride, which bolsters tooth enamel and fights tooth decay. One tablespoon olive oil. Olive oil, which is rich in oleic acid, may be useful in the prophylaxis of dental caries and periodontitis to promote oral health. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Yet another great fruit that works also as a great teeth whitener is lemon. Lemons contain a high acid level in the peel, which is a great whitener or even bleaching agent. Then mix well. It's suitable for use. Brush your teeth well with this mixture. The result is white teeth like pearls from the fast use. It can be repeated 2 times a day. Keep the rest in a clean container and keep it in the fridge. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.